Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru, the channel where we simplify sensors, transmitters, and industrial instrumentation. Today we will compare RTD transmitters versus thermocouple transmitters, which one is better, where to use them, and how to choose the right one for your application. Let's get started. Quick basics. Before comparing transmitters, first understand the sensors. Heavy check mark RTD, Resistance Temperature Detector works on change in resistance. Heavy check mark Thermocouple works on the Seebeck effect to different metals generate voltage. Both sensors need transmitters to convert their small signals into 4 to 20 mA, which PLC DCS can read. Now let's compare the transmitter's bit for each sensor type. What is an RTD transmitter? An RTD transmitter is designed to take input from sensors like PT100 or PT1000. It measures the resistance precisely and converts it to a stable 4 to 20 mA signal. Heavy check mark key features. Highly accurate. Very stable over time. Good for -50 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Supports 2-wire, 3-wire and 4-wire RTD. Less noise because RTD signals are low resistance based. Ideal for precision applications. Heavy check mark where RTD transmitters are used. Pharma, food processing, HVAC systems, lab equipment, chemical plants. Anywhere accuracy is more important than high temperature. What is a thermocouple transmitter? A thermocouple transmitter takes input from sensors like type K, J, T, R, S, N, E, etc. Thermocouples give millivolt signals, which are very small and noisy. The transmitter amplifies and linearizes this voltage. Heavy check mark key features. Works for high temperatures. Range up to 1200 to 1700 degrees Celsius depending on type. Fast response. Rugged and reliable. Good for heavy industries. Needs cold junction compensation. Heavy check mark where thermocouple transmitters are used. Furnaces, boilers, heat treatment, steel, glass, cement industries, turbines and engines, high temperature process industries. Comparison RTD versus thermocouple transmitters. Now let's compare both transmitters in a clear and simple way. 1. Temperature range. RTD transmitter ideal for -50 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Thermocouple transmitter 0 degrees Celsius to 1700 degrees Celsius. Conclusion: use thermocouple transmitters for extreme heat. 2. Accuracy. RTD transmitter, very high accuracy, ±0.1 degrees Celsius to ±0.5 degrees Celsius. Thermocouple transmitter, moderate accuracy. Conclusion: RTD transmitters win in accuracy. 3. Stability over time. RTD, excellent long-term stability. Thermocouple drifts faster at high temperature. Conclusion: RTD transmitters require less recalibration. 4. Response time. RTD slightly slower. Thermocouple faster. Conclusion: for fast changing temperatures, use thermocouple transmitter. 5. Environment. RTD works best in medium temperature, clean environments. Thermocouple perfect for harsh, high temperature industries. Conclusion: thermocouple transmitters are more rugged. 6. Cost. RTD transmitter systems, moderate. Thermocouple transmitter systems, cheaper sensors, but transmitters slightly costlier due to CJC. Conclusion: thermocouples are cheaper, but transmitters may cost slightly more. 7. Noise and signal handling. RTD transmitters handle resistance signals less noise. Thermocouple transmitters handle millivolt signals more noise. Conclusion: RTD transmitters give cleaner, stable output. Which one should you use? Here's the simple rule. Heavy check mark choose RTD transmitter when you need high accuracy. Temperature is below 500 degrees Celsius. Application is stable and long-term. Pharma, food, HVAC, chemical, water industry. You want less drift and clean signal. Heavy check mark choose thermocouple transmitter when temperature is above 500 degrees Celsius. You need fast response. Conditions are harsh. Measurement is inside furnaces, boilers, heaters, steel, cement, glass, turbine, foundry industries. Summary. In simple words, heavy check mark accuracy required RTD transmitter. Heavy check mark high temperature thermocouple transmitter. Heavy check mark clean environment RTD transmitter. Heavy check mark rugged environment thermocouple transmitter. Heavy check mark below 500 degrees Celsius RTD. Heavy check mark above 500 degrees Celsius thermocouple. Both transmitters have their own strengths. Your selection should always depend on temperature range, industry, response time, and accuracy requirement. This was the complete comparison between RTD and thermocouple transmitters. If you want more videos on sensors, transmitters, PLC basics, and industrial automation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru. Thanks for watching.